Students, second topic is position of English in India. So, what is the position of English in our country? So, in this video, we'll study importance of English in India, role of English in India, and history of English in India. So, first we'll go with the importance of English language in our country. So, languages are important in the life of any nation. The members of a social group need language to communicate with each other. It means we need language to communicate for the social purpose, for public administration, for commerce and industry. And second point, R is a country with multilingual, multicultural and pluralistic milieu. It means though we are following the mother tongue, but then also for the common language for interaction we need the English language. The English language is a powerful force not just for economics, business and trade, but for mutual respect and progress. It is also becoming the common future of human commerce and communication. English is the best tool to provide good opportunity for the learner to learn. It means you have to polish your language to get a job easily. Like mere knowledge of subject in no more the only criteria to secure a job in today's date, but to update in the English language, it's more important to get the job. Now, the status of English in India. What is the status of the language? Officially, English has a status of assistant language, but in fact, it is the most important language of India. After Hindi, it is the most commonly spoken language in India and probably the most read and written language in our country. Indians who know English will always try to show that they know English. English symbolizes in Indian minds better education, better culture, and higher intellect. India who know English often mingle it with Indian languages in their conversations. Even today's school in India that emphasize English are considered better schools, and the same is the case at university level, even though there is a trend towards Indianization. In the 1970s and 1980, about one third of the Indian schools had English as their first language. For most of the students, English is their first language and it is easier for them to communicate, read and write in English than in Indian language, including their mother tongue. Just like the Americans, Australians, or even the British, who have their unique English words and phrases, the Indian also have their unique English. The Indians and the Indian English language press uses many words derived from Indian languages, especially from Hindi. Now, the history of English. So, what is the history of English language? The English language set foot in India with the granting of the East India Company charter by Queen Elizabeth I in 1600 and the subsequent establishment of trading ports in coastal cities such as Surat, Bombay, Madras and Calcutta. English language public instruction began in India in the 1830 during the rule of the East India Company. In 1835, English replaced Persian as the official language of the company. Lord Macaulay played a major role in introducing English and Western concept to education in India. He supported the replacement of Persian by English as the official language, the use of English as the medium of instruction in all school, and the training of English speaking Indians and teachers. Throughout the 1840s and 1850s, primary, middle and high schools were opened in many districts of British India, with most high schools offering English language instruction in some subjects. In 1857, just before the end of company rule, university modelled on the University of London and using English as the medium of instruction were establishing in Bombay, Calcutta and Madras. During the British Raj lasting from 1858 to 1947, English language penetration increased throughout India. This was driven in part by the gradually increasing hiring of Indians in the civil services. At the time of India's independence in 1947, English was the only functional lingua franca in the country. So, this is the small explanation of the position of English in our country. You have to write about the status, you have to write about the importance and the history of English literature. Thank you.